you stop the music, get into it, won't you dance with me?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi. Today's video, I'm about like 10 months late on this trend, but I finally got over the fear of posting about my YouTube on my personal Instagram, and so that's why I'm doing this video now. I am doing the Instagram Picks My Makeup Challenge. If you're not following me on Instagram, it's just Jess Braunn with 2 N's. It's always down below. All my social media are down below if you want to follow me on anything else. So like I said, I was always scared to post on my personal social medias about my YouTube channel just because I figured people would make fun of me and stuff like that. But surprisingly, I got a lot of votes on this. I was expecting maybe 30 people to vote, but I've got over 200 so far, and it's only been up for about 12-ish hours, and so I'm sure more votes are gonna come in, but I just wanted to film this today. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up if you like Instagram Picks My Blank videos. I can definitely do more. This is the finished look, so if you like how this is looking, be sure to keep on watching. So all the makeup that I put on my polls on Instagram, I actually have in this bag right here. The first poll that I put on was for primer, and it was between these two, the Smashbox Photo Finish and the Benefit Pore Professional. Okay, so Smashbox had 44% and Benefit had 56%. So we're going to be using this one today. Also, I'm sorry if I keep touching it. I don't know, I just hate when I do my makeup and my hair's up, when I'm filming, because it does not look the greatest. And I also have a mirror right down here, so if you see me looking down, that's why. The next poll that I put on was for foundation, and it was between these two, the IT Cosmetics CC Cream and the Maybelline Fit Me. Results for this one, Fit Me had 46% and the CC Cream had 54%. So we will be using the IT Cosmetics CC Cream today. And then I'm just going to apply it with a damp beauty blender, and then in this I have the shade Fair. Next up, we had concealers. They were between the Tarte Shape Tape and the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. And the poll for this one, Tarte Shape Tape was 79% and the Age Rewind was 21%. So we will be using Tarte today. And then I just have that one in the shade Light. Then I put on setting powders. This is the Stay Matte by Rimmel and just translucent, and this is the Fit Me by Maybelline, the Matte to Poreless in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. And for this one, the results were 55% for the Fit Me and 45% for the Rimmel. So we will be using the Fit Me today. I'm actually going to do my eyebrows off camera, and then I'll be right back. I am back and my brows are on, and the next poll was for bronzer. It was between the Benefit Hoola Bronzer and the Rimmel just a natural bronzer. The results from the poll were 24% for the Rimmel and 76% for Hoola, so we will be using the Hoola bronzer today. Bronzer is done, and the next poll was for highlighter. It was between this e.l.f. Cosmetics one and then a Too Faced Candlelight Glow, and the results were 32% for e.l.f. and 68% for Too Faced, so we will be using the Too Faced. This is the one in the Warm Glow. And then I'm just gonna mix the two shades together since there are two in there. Next up was eyeshadow palettes. It was between the Tarte in Bloom and Morphe x James Charles. And the results for this one was 47% for the Tarte one and 53% for the Morphe one. So we will be using this one today. This one has so many colors, I don't even know what I'm gonna attempt to do. I'm probably gonna do something like pinkish bronziness just so it matches my shirt. And then also a little tip for everyone, if you guys still have this with all the shade names on it, tape it in so when you do like tutorials and stuff, you don't have to memorize or look up all these shade names. It's just literally right there for you to look at. I'm going to prime my eyes with some primer, so I'm gonna go grab that. Okay, I'm just gonna be using this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I didn't put like a poll on my Instagram story for this just because I normally don't use eyeshadow primer unless it's like for something, I don't know, like I need to make sure my eyeshadow stays on for a long time. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the shade Canvas and just put that all over my lid, just kind of like a base. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Punch Me, which is this one right here, and just put that in my crease. Now I'm going to go in with the shade T, which is this dark brown one right here, and I'm just going to put that in the outer V of my eye. Now I'm just going to go back into the shade Punch Me and just kind of blend it out a little bit. Now I'm going to go into the shade So Good, which is this one right here, and just pack that on my lid. I'm also going to take a little bit of Wig, which is this one right here, and just kind of put that where it starts to turn a little bit more darker. And then that's just going to be my eyeshadow. It does look darker on this side just because my window is right here, so this side's getting more light. If I like cover it, can you see it's like darker? It's just, my lighting is not that great. I'm gonna do my mascara next. I didn't put that as a poll either just because I do the same mascara every single day. So I'm gonna go do that quick and I'll be right back. I am back and my mascara is done. If you're wondering what mascaras I use 3 of them. The first one I put on is the Tarte Maneater, and then I put on the L'Oreal Paris Just Telescopic Mascara, and then I put on the CoverGirl Lash Exact, and I also put this on my bottom lashes. I'm obsessed with the mascara, so that's why I use so many of them. Okay, my very last pull I put on was for a lip. First one I put on was for this Buxom Gloss in the shade Dolly, and then Kylie Lip in the shade Coco K. So let's see what the results were for this one. So 28% of you voted for the Buxom, and then 72% voted for Kylie. So it looks like we're doing Kylie today. This is the finished look. I love how my lips match my shirt. I'm glad that happened that way. I didn't even plan it to. I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who participated in this. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I thought maybe like 30 people would answer my polls. I didn't know people cared like that much about it, but I had over 200 people that like voted. So that's like really cool. I am going to be posting more about my YouTube on my personal Instagram. If you guys didn't know, I did have like a vlog Instagram. I kind of stopped using that this summer though because my views started to get more like YouTube based. They weren't like Instagram based. So if you want to follow me on there, definitely do that. I'm gonna try to do an Instagram controls like a day in my life, and then I want to do something with Easton, a poll, maybe date night, I don't know, something like that. So yeah, if you want to participate in those, be sure to follow me. It's just Jess Braun with 2 N's. I'll have it on the screen right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. If you like when I do makeup videos, let me know. I can definitely do more. I just feel like I'm not that great at it, so that's why I just don't do them that often. Also, comment what your favorite makeup product is. Even if I didn't use it, just let me know what you like. I'm always looking to purchase new makeup, so if you like something, let me know why down below. Once again, just thank you so much for watching. I'm grateful for all of you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
And don't you stop the music, get into it, won't you dance with me? Find a place and lose it, you can do it, won't you dance with me?